take our reflex hammer here. We're going to say we think we probably have got a shoulder. We take this now and it stops about 90 degrees. So we know we've got a little bit of a problem here. So now we're going to do our neurology. So we take a hold of this. There's the Shimizu reflex. Boom. Oh, there's one of those. Okay. We now go to the front and do this. No response. We now go to the back and do this. And there's a nice little reflex. Where's the problem? Glenohumeral. What are we doing here? Might as well go home. Nice and easy, eh? So we're now going to say, all right, it's glenohumeral, so let's go and find out what we've got. So we go A to P, P to A, medial to lateral, lateral to medial, rotation and rotation. We're going to say it's all normal except the movement from P to A. So we have a posterior. We press in there and she says that's painful. So that's all in place there. We bring this up to here like so. Turn that down at 45 degrees and Kerry's going to push her elbow back up towards me. Up she goes and it's weak. Everybody's happy. Sorry? Oh, I haven't got there yet. These guys from the Murray River here, you know, the Murray River's dried up and they've gone crackers. That's the problem. All right, so we're now going to come along here. We've done our Shimizu here. We're now going to come and do a pre-test. We said it was posterior, so we push on him posterior there and we expect that reflex to disappear. We expect that reflex to reappear. Okay? And that's all there is to it. It's simple, isn't it? It all stems from that basic three: lateral flexion, gross rotation, abduction. Everything flows from there.